In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that is able to change the chart colors based on the candle movements. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that changes the appearance of the chart based on the movement of the last two candles. Let's see how we can do that. We start by opening Metaeditor, which can be done by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. The code begins with including the trade library using the #include Trade Trade.mqh directive, which provides trading functions. We then create an instance of the CTrade class named Trade, which allows us to execute trading operations, although it is not used in this specific code. Inside the OnTick function, we create an array named PriceInformation to store price data. The ArraySetAsSeries function is used to sort this array from the current candle downwards. We then copy the price data for the last three candles into the array using the CopyRates function. The parameters for CopyRates are the symbol name, the period, the starting position, shift value, the number of candles to copy, and the array to store the data. Next, we retrieve the close prices for the last two candles. Close 1 is the close price for candle 1, and close 2 is the close price for candle 2. We then check the direction of the price movement. If the price has increased, meaning close 2 is less than close 1, we change the chart's appearance to indicate an upward movement. The chart_set_integer function is used to set the body and outer colors of both bull and bear candles to green, the candle type to bars, the grid to visible, the foreground color to yellow, and the background color to black. If the price has decreased, meaning close 2 is greater than close 1, we change the chart's appearance to indicate a downward movement. The chart_set_integer function is used to set the body and outer colors of both bull and bear candles to red, the candle type to candles, the grid to hidden, the foreground color to magenta, and the background color to white. We also retrieve the maximum and minimum prices on the chart using the chart_get_double function with the chart price max and chart price min parameters. Finally, we output the close prices of the last two candles, as well as the maximum and minimum prices on the chart, using the comment function. Once the code is complete, we press F7 to compile it. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you might want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If everything works, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should then see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, feel free to send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that dynamically changes the chart's appearance based on the movement of the last two candles using a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope the expert advisor is working and you see the changing colors on your own chart. If this was too fast for you, or if you have no idea what all the code is doing, maybe the premium course might be interesting for you. You can find that one on our website. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.